Here's how to get the most out of your camera when shooting video. Hey there, and we're now into our second week of tips and tricks, and today we're looking at video. When I started out shooting, I used to use the exact same settings for when I was taking pictures when I was taking videos. I didn't realize there was a difference, and I would just hit the little red button to start recording, and I thought I was sweet. Then I started to realize that few key differences for using your camera when it comes to taking videos compared to photos. And here's the first one. It's called the 180-degree rule, and it has to do with your shutter speed and frame rate. The idea with this rule is to make the motion blur in your videos as normal as possible, so it look like real life. How you get this effect is you set your shutter speed to be double what your frame rate is. So for example, I'm shooting this video in 25 frames a second, so I've set my shutter speed to be 1/50. Now I'll show you what it looks like when I change my shutter speed. So I've now changed my shutter speed down to 1/10, and you'll see that when I move my arms and when I move around a little bit, you'll see that it looks a little bit unnatural and weird. Now artistically, this might be a choice that you make for some of your videos, but for a normal shot image, this is not ideal. I've now changed my shutter speed to 1/200. And as you see as I move around, is no motion blur whatsoever. The shot is now very crystal clear, and again, stylistically, you might like to choose to do this, but naturally we actually normally see motion blur, and so it doesn't look as real as it could be. So next time you're out shooting, just remember the 180-degree shutter rule. Double your shutter speed for the frame rate you're shooting in. If you learned something new today, give this video a like or share it with a friend. All right, I'll catch you tomorrow.